how to share multiple photos in one Facebook post. First off, you need to open up the Facebook app, and then from here, go to your profile, like so. Now that we're in our profiles, you want to scroll down until you see this option, Posts, What's on Your Mind. So just click on the two image icons here. Okay, and you can select whichever photos you want to add. So let's say I'm going to add these 3 memes right here. Just tap on the photos you want to add and click on Done. Now from here, you will see different layouts. So you can decide how you want those photos to look in one post. They can either look like a banner, you can play around with this, frame, and those are the 3 options, or classic, like so. So for example, let's say I want to make it in the shape of, make it in the shape of columns, yeah. So just click Post. And now we should have multiple photos added to our page. Your post was shared. If we click on View Post, as you can see, it looks like this. And if people press on it, they will be able to see each image individually. Thank you for watching. If this helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.